Several years ago, we discovered this old and mysterious rose here in this wild wood behind the old villa of my ancestors Mocenigo. It has a lovely color. It's sort of a silvery pink. It's a very sturdy rose, but at the same time very delicate. It has a wonderful fruity scent. And it came to Europe in the time of Napoleon aboard merchant ships, British merchant ships from India and China. It was brought here in the Veneto. She had found it in the gardens of Empress Joséphine. And it still grows here in these woods, rather wildly, and it has been a witness to 200 years of history. With our friends at Merchant of Venice, we have decided to create a new fragrance to celebrate this wonderful flower, in the hope that its history and its mystery will be carried around the world.